Hey guys, what is going on? And today I'm gonna be doing a prank on my dad. So I'm gonna be trying to go ahead and set the banana shake one. I did it a couple weeks ago. Anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys a prank. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some peanut butter and a knife, and I'm just gonna stir it all around his face. And he's asleep right now, like asleep. Like we're watching the movie. What is it called? Home. It's about a little alien with this girl and whatever. It was really cool. I liked it, and he fell asleep throughout the whole movie. And then now he's going to sleep again in the bed. So I'm just going to get some peanut butter, and I don't like peanut butter, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get some peanut butter. I'm gonna get the knife, and then I'm just gonna spread all around his face. So I'll be back when I have a lovely video. So guys, I'm back, and I've got my peanut butter here. Peanut butter here. It's organic. It's peanut butter, so that's what we have it. The three of us there's some peanut butter. Did I say that? But anyways, guys, I've got the butter knife and I've got the peanut butter in there. Let's go. So I'm gonna pause the video. I'm not even. It's gonna go this. So let's go. Guess what is that?
Cold gum.
What is it? Don't look at it, don't look at it, don't look at it. Good. It's so funny. It's so funny. Okay, don't even look at it this time. Just pretend nothing is happening. Don't even look at it, just pretend nothing is happening. Don't look at it. Don't look at it, don't look at it. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. Don't look at it. I don't know if that's enough. I'm gonna bring my brother over here so a surprise. Pretend that nothing is happening. I'm gonna do something and pretend nothing is happening, okay? Okay. I think that's enough. I think that's enough. Look, I'm short. I didn't put as much as I could because he woke up, so I'm gonna put as much as I wanted to, but at least I still put. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this peanut butter bag. I'm gonna wait till he wakes up and then I'll film it. So I guess I'm just gonna have to wake him up because he's not waking up, so come up and see what happens. Hey Bobby, why don't you take a look on your foot, but don't turn it. I put some peanut butter on your foot.
Oh my God. No.
Yes, putting your ice cream too. I put some peanut butter. I put some peanut butter. You're not gonna take it off. When you wake up, you're gonna have peanut butter on your face, so you better clean that off before I put that on your face. Gonna get a mustache of some peanut butter. Peanut butter.
How funny.
You better. Don't put it on your face. Hey, Mom. Yes. I do.